Hi, my name is Attorney Walter of Knott III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go into question 115 of the top 200 Social Security disability questions you're likely to hear at your upcoming hearing, all right, for disability benefits. All right, 115. Now remember, you won't hear the question this way. You'll hear the question as, do you have any difficulty cleaning? But this is a learning question that helps you break it down. Do you take out the garbage, and does this include garbage from others? All right, so this is a good question because if you take out the garbage, how much does the garbage weigh? What size bag is it? Is it a 33-gallon bag? Oh, you take out the garbage of others as well. That means you're taking out the garbage more repetitively, and it's usually heavier because there's multiple people using the garbage. Oh, so you're in a facility. Facility for what? Dual diagnosis? Oh, okay. What's one of your duties to be able to live there? Oh, you take out the garbage? Well, how many people live in that facility? Oh, there's 15. Oh, wow. You're always taking out the garbage? Yes. How much do you think it weighs? Oh, about 40 pounds. Boom. Now they've got you locked into the weight category of your ability to go ahead and lift. Let's go into question 116. That'll be 2 left of the cleaning section. I mean, I could do a whole lot more, but we're just going to do 2 more. And then we'll go from there. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and thank you so much. Also, remember, if you have a question, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, I go live 8 to 10 Thursday Eastern Standard Time on YouTube every Thursday. You can ask me whatever questions you want then. Also, like, subscribe, and please leave me 5 stars on different websites like Avo, Better Business Bureau, Google, stuff like that. Have an absolutely wonderful day, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.